Good morning to my dear students. I am your faculty, Dr. M. Balateja. This is the last topic we are discussing today, that is valve timing diagram, port timing diagram. Here, the valve timing diagram, this diagram is applicable to four-stroke engines, that is four-stroke petrol engine, four-stroke diesel engine. In the four-stroke petrol engine, we are having the valves, so that's why we have to draw the valve timing diagram. In the four-stroke diesel engine also we are having the valves, so that's why we have to write the four-stroke diesel engine. Same like that in the two-stroke petrol engine, we are also having the ports, so that's why we are calling port to timing diagram. In the two-stroke diesel engine, we are having the ports, so that's why we are to draw the port timing diagram. Here you can observe. So four-stroke petrol engine. Now first we have to concept the four-stroke petrol engine. So this four-stroke petrol engine we have to write the valve timing diagram. We have to draw the valve timing diagram. Because the four-stroke petrol engine, four-stroke diesel we are having the valves, so that's why we have to draw the valve timing diagram. So this is the theoretical valve timing diagram. This is the actual valve timing diagram. So this is top dead center of the engine cylinder. This is the bottom dead center. So what is valve timing diagram means? The valve opening and close timing and crank angle position, these two important aspects we have concentrated in the timing diagram. Okay, number one is valve opening close timing and crank angle position. So these two important factors is required for to draw the valve timing diagram. So this is the top dead center, this is the bottom dead center of the engine center, this is a theoretical diagram. So the inlet valve opens at the crank angle 0 degree position, and 180 degree position the inlet valve gets closer, that is suction process. And here the compression process will begin at 180 degrees and it closes at again 360 degrees. So in this portion, in this point, the spark will be ignition taking place. That is a spark ignition generating. Again 180 degrees. Again the exhaust valve gets open. Again that is process I am calling here power stroke process. The exhaust valve open in the 180 degrees. The exhaust valve again closed at 360 degrees. So at TDC, there the exhaust valve gets closer. So here you can observe here 0 degrees, 180 degrees and 360 degrees. So in the particular line only these things will be open and closing taking place of the crank angle. So this is a theoretical valve diagram. But actually we don't get this type of position, this type of timing, this type of angle, crank angle position. If you observe here, so this is the top dead center, this is the bottom dead center. The crank angle opens before top dead center at 20 degrees crank angle, the inlet valve gets open. That is the suction process. It will be end at after BDC at 35 degrees angle. So this is the suction process. And again compression process will be started. The compression process will be started at exactly before TDC 35 degrees. The spark will be ignition taking place. So this is the spark ignition. After that we will get the compression taking place. The compression taking place, the exhaust valve will open before bottom dead center at 35 degrees angle. It will be open, again it will be closed after top dead center at 10 degrees. The exhaust valve will be closed. So this is the thing will be happened in the actual valve timing diagram. Because we did not get the exact crank angle portion like this, we don't get here because the actual values will be taking place like this. Okay, this is the valve timing diagram for four-stroke petrol engine. You can observe this video, you can easily understand.
इंटेक स्ट्रोक के एडवांस में टॉप डेड सेंटर की 20 डिग्री क्रैंक रोटेशन के पहले जो इंटेक वाल है वो ओपन होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है और पूरे इंटेक स्ट्रोक में खुला रहता है। फिर इंटेक स्ट्रोक ख़त्म होने के बाद 35 डिग्री क्रैंक रोटेशन होने पर इंटेक वाल कंप्लीटली क्लोज हो जाता है। तो अब कंप्रेशन स्ट्रोक खत्म होने से पहले यानी कि टॉप डेड सेंटर से 35 डिग्री के क्रैंक रोटेशन पहले एडवांस में स्पार्क कर दिया जाता है। अब एडवांस करने का रीज़न ये है कि फ्यूल को प्रॉपर बर्न होने का टाइम मिला रहे। तो पावर स्ट्रोक के बाद बॉटम डेड सेंटर से 35 डिग्री पहले जो एग्जॉस्ट वाल है वो ओपन होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है और फिर पूरे एग्जॉस्ट स्ट्रोक में वो वाल ओपन रहता है। अब टॉप डेड सेंटर के 10 डिग्री के बाद एग्जॉस्ट वाल्व कंप्लीटली क्लोज हो जाता है। तो इस डायग्राम में आपने देखा कि दोनों के दोनों वाल अपनी थियोरेटिकल पोजीशन से पहले खुल जाते हैं और थियोरेटिकल पोजीशन के बाद में बंद होते हैं। तो ये चीज़ करने के पीछे रीज़न ये है कि वाल को ओपन और क्लोज होने में टाइम लगता है, जिसके कारण अगर उसे थियोरेटिकल पोजीशन के ऊपर खोला या बंद किया जाए तो वो प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ फ्यूल या फिर एमिशन गैस को अंदर या बाहर नहीं आने देगा, जिसके कारण इंजन की जो वॉल्यूमेट्रिक एफिशिएंसी है वो कम हो जाएगी और इंजन प्रॉपर मैनर में काम नहीं कर पाएगा। तो इस वीडियो के अंदर आपने देखा।
So this is the complete valve timing diagram for the four-stroke petrol engine. The inlet valve gets opened before TDC. Inlet valve gets closed after BDC. So this is the suction process. Again, the compression process started at sparking taking place. Again, the thing will be exhaust valve will be open before BDC, that gets closed and after TDC. So this is the thing I am calling here valve timing diagram. So in this valve time, what we have to remember? You have to remember the process, suction process, compression process, expansion process, and exhaust process. Expansion or power stroke process or combustion process, same. You can remember that point. And the angle portions. These are the angle portions. Okay. The inlet valve gets open before TDC 20 degrees. Inlet valve gets closed after BDC 35 degrees. This important point. Next, the spark will be taking place before TDC at 35 degrees centigrade. 35 degrees, sorry, 35 degrees. Again, the exhaust will be open before BDC 35 degrees. Gets closed after TDC 10 degrees. So these angles are very important. You can remember. This is the four-stroke working of the petrol engine of the valve timing diagram. Now, four-stroke diesel engine valve timing diagram. So same four stroke also same type, the little difference is there. So here you can observe the inlet here this is a TDC, this is a BDC. The inlet valve opens before TDC 25 degrees and gets closed after BDC 30 degrees of the crank angle. Okay, the compression is taking place. The fuel injection starts before TDC 5 degrees. The fuel injection will be stopped after TDC 25 degrees. So that is the fuel injection process. And then expansion process started. The exhaust valve will be open before BDC 45 degrees. And the exhaust valve will be gets closes here. So this is the complete valve timing diagram for the four-stroke diesel engine. So this is the information of the complete information of the four-stroke diesel engine. Now same here we have to discuss about the two-stroke petrol engine. So what I have tell you, two-stroke petrol engine nothing but we are not using the valves. Here we are using the ports. Based on the ports we have to based on the ports opening and closing timings and crank angle portion we have to draw the port timing diagram. So this is the port timing diagram. Here you can observe the thing. So here top dead center, this is the bottom dead center. Inlet port opens, IPO, this is inlet port opens. Okay, inlet port closes. Here this is inlet port closes. Okay, and exhaust port opens. So this is exhaust port open. Exhaust port closes and transfer port opens. So transfer port closes. Okay, so ignition IS means ignition starts. First, inlet port opens before TDC. Okay, inlet port opens before TDC at 45 degrees. Okay, at 45, this is the angle. So we need the angle. So complete this point to this point 100 degrees, but this is the point to we are calling here 45. Okay, so here you can observe the point what I am telling that here the thing is what I am telling that the inlet port will be open, the inlet port will be closes this particular angle. Okay, this is inlet port after TDC. Here before TDC inlet port opens, after TDC inlet port closes. Again the exhaust port opens before BDC at 60 degrees. Before BDC 60 degrees. But here exhaust port closes after BDC 60 degrees, that you can remember. The transfer port opens before BDC 45 degrees, after BDC transfer port closes at 45 degrees. So here exhaust port open and closes 60 degrees, transfer port open and closes 45 degrees. That is, you can remember. Okay, if suppose this is the 45 degrees, what will be happen? This is the 45. So that's why inlet port closes 45 degrees, inlet port opens 45 degrees. So that is the point you can remember. That is the point you can remember. Okay, and ignition starts at here. The ignition start, this is 45 degrees now, so 45 degrees it will be open. So this is the complete information of the port timing diagram for the two-stroke petrol engine. So you can immediately, you have to get the information up. Once you can observe here, the point is, this is the angle 60 degrees. When this angle 60 degrees means, so here also inlet port 2, so this is also from TDC, means how much? 60 degrees. Okay, so this is also 60 degrees. So inlet port opens before TDC 60 degrees, and inlet port closes after TDC 60 degrees. So here 60 degrees and 60 degrees. Here transfer port, exhaust port also 60 degrees, 60 degrees, transfer port only 45 degrees. So that is, you can remember. This is a two-stroke petrol engine. Same criteria in the two-stroke diesel engine also. Okay, so here you can observe here the exhaust inlet port. So you can observe this is the two-stroke diesel engine. You can same criteria here also. In this process you can observe here the exhaust port opens before BDC 60 degrees, after BDC 60 degrees. The transfer port opens before BDC 45 degrees, after BDC it is the transfer port closes at 45 degrees. So exhaust port open and closing 45, exhaust port open and closes at 60 degrees, transfer port open and closes at 45 degrees. That is, you can remember. Okay, so fuel injection taking place. This is the diesel engine. Fuel injection taking place before TDC at 10 degrees centigrade. It will be end of the fuel at 15 degrees after TDC. Okay, so this is the 10 degrees before TDC, 15 degrees after, 15 degrees after TDC, the fuel injection will be closed. So here this is the complete valve timing diagram for the two-stroke diesel engine. Two-stroke diesel engine, same as same inlet port open, inlet port closes now. That timing also we are having same similar to as a two-stroke petrol, that is 60 degrees angle. So this is the valve timing, sorry, port timing diagram. So in this valve and port timing diagram, you have to remember the important points is the crank angle positions and before and after TDC or before and after BDC positions. So these are the very important crank angle positions and timing. So these important factors you have to remember in the valve and port timing diagrams. Okay, these diagrams are very important. You have to practice very well. Okay, then only you have to understand easy way. I think everybody should understand this concept. So this is the complete chapter of the IC engines. I have finished successfully for you in this lockdown period. So you have to thorough on that. So I am giving a questions to you for the exam point of view, or at the same time assignment point of view. Take that questions. My first question is, write the difference between the four-stroke working of petrol engine and four-stroke two-stroke working of petrol engine. Okay, this is the difference. I am asking the first question. Now, what is the difference between the petrol engine and diesel engine? What is the difference between the four-stroke and two-stroke engine? And draw the valve timing diagram for the four-stroke engines, and draw the port timing diagram for the two-stroke engines. So these are the homework for you. The first question is four-stroke engine and two-stroke engine difference, petrol engine and diesel engine difference, valve timing diagram of the four-stroke, port timing diagram for the two-stroke engine. So these differences, these diagrams you have to write and submit to in the WhatsApp group or mail. Okay, thank you to everyone. I think everybody should understand here. Okay, I'm expecting that thing. All the best.